Hello everyone and welcome to the Kombucha Company. Today we are unboxing our 1 gallon complete kombucha starter kit. Starting off, on top of your kit is a thank you card. This thank you card contains some helpful brewing information, so make sure to give it a read. Second is your brewing guide. This guide contains information on how to start your brew, how to restart your brew, how to flavor your brew, and how to carbonate your brew. Next, we have your SCOBY and starter tea in your brewing jar. SCOBY and starter tea and your brewing jar. The final thing included inside the box is instructions on how to apply the transfer sticker. There is a transfer sticker that comes inside this jar that I'll show you in just 1 second. And these are just the instructions explaining how to apply that sticker. Okay, next, let's take a look inside of our jar. This is where you'll have your ingredients and all your supplies. First, you see you have a cloth top and a rubber band. This is to allow the CO2 to escape and not allow anything inside the jar. Next, there are 3 bags inside of your jar. First is your tea bag. This is the brewing tea that you'll need. It's a blend of black tea and yerba mate tea. It's the exact amount you'll need to make 1 gallon. Then we have your sugar bag. This is 1 cup of sugar, and this is the exact amount you'll need to make 1 gallon of kombucha. Finally, we have your supply bag. And your supply bag will contain a few things. First, your supply bag will contain a pipette. This pipette is used to draw kombucha out of your jar and place on your pH strips. Next are your pH strips that will allow you to check your pH levels. They come in this envelope. Inside that envelope is your color chart and your pH strips. Next is your tea brewing bag. This bag is what you'll use to brew your tea, and you'll use your loose leaf tea inside of this bag. After that, we have a thermometer. This is an adhesive thermometer that will stick to your jar so you can have a constant reading of your brew temperature. Second to last is this alcohol pad. This pad is used to clean the outside of your jar, so then you can apply your transfer sticker. Finally, this is your transfer sticker, and this sticker is meant to be placed on the outside of your jar. However, this sticker could also be placed on a window or any other surface you'd like to place it on. Your SCOBY and starter tea, here's what's inside. You're going to have your starter tea and your SCOBY. And don't be alarmed if it comes a little puffed out like that. Kombucha is fermenting, creating CO2, and that CO2 has nowhere to escape, so it fills the bag with that air. And that's why your SCOBYs are double bagged and double sealed. I'd like to show you one last thing. Depending on when you receive your kit may come with the SCOBY and starter tea packaged separately. This is the packaging we're moving to. So it is the exact same thing, just packaged separately. It may come looking like this, or it may come in this bag. Either way, you're receiving the same SCOBY and the same amount of starter tea. Next, we'll be brewing 1 gallon of kombucha. Just click here to check that video out.